We're gonna solve this problem. So what this image problem is asking us is that what is the y value as x approaches 0 of this function? So now let's solve this step by step. So first, we just do this as usual, and then we're gonna multiply this by its conjugate. So if you don't remember what a conjugate is that is a situation where you have a fraction that has a radical and a plus or minus operation outside of it. For example, and this is our fraction, and we have this annoying radical x plus 1 minus 1. We have this annoying expression, and now we want to remove it without squaring. So what a conjugate is that this minus switches to plus, or anything that's outside of this radical. All right, so minus turns to plus and plus turns to minus. So now also you're gonna multiply this conjugate on both sides, top and bottom. Okay, so what we'll get is so what we'll get is the same thing, but this new expression. So for a side note, you won't cancel these out. This is wrong, okay? So you won't cancel those out. But what you will do is multiply these two expressions. So after multiplying these two expressions, we are only left with x, because positive 1 and negative 1 cancel each other out. And now we can just cancel x from down here. And now we're just gonna plug in 0 and solve it as usual, which will give us 1/2 eventually. So this is our answer. Hope you all had a wonderful day. If you still did not understand this complex problem, then I highly encourage you to check out the link in the description below. That link carries you to a book called Pre-Calculus for Dummies. It has all the limits problems. It has more than 1,000 problems, which will give you enough practice to get straight A's in your class. So please check out the link in the description below. And there are whenever I check Amazon, there are only a few left. So if you want it, just go for a run, go rush for it, okay? There's less time left. Just go click the link